Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this channel I'll be posting videos only related to GoPro Hero 8. Right now I have just ordered the GoPro Hero 8 and I'll keep updating on the status of it, and when it will arrive I will do the unboxing. The thing that I would like to share today is the GoPro new, well, not so new, but they started a new initiative in the May 2019 regarding GoPro upgrade. So there is a program in which you can send some like camera, and then they will give you $100 of either GoPro Hero 8 or other cameras on which they have this promotion. So let's explore this option. I think it's a very good initiative, and if you have some old camera that has a market value of more than 100 euros or $100 at the time when you purchase it, I think it will be worth sending it to GoPro and then buying GoPro Hero 8. Currently I'm in EU, and I'm living in Finland. So the actual price of GoPro Hero 8 on the local market and on the local stores is around 450 euros, but you can order one online and it will cost you 327 euros from here. But the prices vary from the different stores. For example, the US store, it will cost you around 270 euros after the 100 discount on GoPro Hero at 8, and then there is also $50 or €50 discount on GoPro Hero 7. So let's see how we can order one, and what are the different steps. In this video I will tell you one of the most important step before moving forward in this process of upgrade. So first of all, go to the Google and search GoPro upgrade. Okay, I hope it's the first link. So it's gopro.com and then /shop and then upgrade, or you can go directly to the URL here. So it's GoPro in, and fee is the country in which you are, shop, and then the trade up. And you can change the store as well. For example, there will be a link of that, or from here you can change your store location. I am in Finland, so it's the Finland is selected. So this is the offer. Actually, GoPro trade up is the name of the offer. Get 100 euros off Hero 8 Black, and there are actually two offers in the Finland store. So it's for Hero 7 Black and Hero 8 Black, and they will give 100 euros discount on the Hero 8 and 50 euros discount on the Hero 7. So for example, if you would like to order the Hero 8, just select this one. But before doing that, the first step is always ask customer support if your camera is worth trading or not. So for that, definitely first go to this link. You will see a microphone and a speaker icon here. So click on this one, and there should be one option here to contact us. I think it's this one. Well, you can go here like in the bottom as well. So contact us, and I think the best way is to chat with them, and currently the chat is closed, and you can find the timings here. So for example, this is Western Europe Standard Time, so I think this is closed because it's 17:23 and now it's 17 p.m. here, so the chat is closed. But for example, you can between the office hours, you can come here, fill in the information, and the first thing that you can ask is about the camera that you have, that is it possible that you send that camera, and then you will avail the option of trade up. I did this. The camera that I was using, I can show you. So I had this Samsung Gear 360 2017 model. So this was the camera that I was I'm sending. Well, I actually sent it, and I asked them beforehand, like, can I use this camera for upgrade? um, is it upgrade? It's not upgrade, sorry, for upgrade. And they said yes, I can send this camera. The actual market value for this camera is around 170 euros. uh, I think it was in 2017 the same price, but I bought it on sale like for 50 euros, so it will still save me like 50 euros. That's okay. I will now show you the chat. For example, when you have a chat, it's always good that when the chat will end, you just there is an option that send the chat to the email, so that you have the proof that you already talked with them and they agreed that you can send the camera. So I'll show you the chat now. All right, so this was the chat. Actually, you will get the email after you had a chat with them, and it will contain all the information. So I started the chat and I asked them that is it possible that I can use this camera for tradeup program, and the other person from the GoPro side, he said that let's wait and he will confirm it. And then he told me that sure, I can use this camera, and thank you for the wait. Yes, you can use this Samsung Gear for the trade up. So the first and foremost important step is, first of all, ask GoPro in this chat, is it possible to use the camera for trade up? Because if you send it and then if it's not worth trade up, then maybe you have to pay back for the return of the camera. I don't know, but first of all, do this. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will post all the videos and all the processes. What is the next step once you have the confirmation from GoPro that yes, you can use the camera for trade up? The next step would be order the camera, fill in the information, and get the UPS label. I will explain all those things in the next video. If you would like to know more, please subscribe to the channel. I will use the same channel for all the things related to GoPro Hero 8. I'll do the unboxing and capture all the amazing videos and footage here in Finland. So don't miss it out. Please subscribe to the channel, and please share it with others as well who are interested to buy a GoPro Hero 8 in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead. Bye.